Good morning and Happy New Year to everyone. I'm Jessica Stoner with RE/MAX Alpine Realty, and this is our 2012 Canmore Market Update. I'm going to give you an idea of what has happened over the last couple of years here in town, what is happening with the average sale prices, what kind of volume of sales we've been experiencing. You should have a pretty good idea of what's happening in the Canmore market by the time we are done with this update. As of this morning, in Canmore we have 269 listings. This is the lowest we've seen in several years, where we've been carrying the average inventory of between 400 and 450 listings. So this could be a good sign that the market is starting to balance. Sales volume for 2011 has been lower than in previous years. We saw 269 sales in 2011, where in 2010 we saw 283 sales. In 2009 we saw more than that at 339 sales. Sales prices overall have been following a downward trend. The average sale price for the entire market in 2011 was $574,000. If we follow that downward trend of the last few years, we'll start at 2008, where the average sale price was $641,000 for the entire market. In 2009, it was $570,000, and then in 2010, we saw a slight increase up to $590,000. And then in 2011, a dip again down to the $574,000. Based on the current sale price trend and the high activity of buyers, it looks like we can expect to start to see some appreciation in the market overall in 2012. Now we're going to break down the sale price, or the average sale price trends, into the different types of property, because they don't follow all the same pattern. We'll start with the single-family homes and half duplexes. We're putting that into the same category. And if we look at the average sale price of that particular category over the last few years, we have a little bit of an increase over the last few years. We'll start with 2009, where we saw the average sale price for single-family homes and half duplexes at $754,000. Then in 2010, it increased a bit to $825,000, and then again in 2011, it increased to $831,000. So we've actually been seeing an upward trend in that particular type of property. Now, when we look at the multifamily market, and that includes all of our townhomes, condos, fourplexes, triplexes, etc., we see a downward trend. So when we're looking at 2009, the average sale price of a multifamily property in Canmore was $457,000. When you look at 2010, we see $444,000, and then in 2011, a decrease again to $416,000. So we're seeing an opposite trend based on the type of property here in Canmore. This difference could be based on the fact that there's always a greater number of condos for sale in Canmore than there is single-family homes. The greater number of listings for sale creates stiffer competition in that particular type of market, therefore making the prices reduce at a faster rate, and the single-family homes having less competition, seeing a little bit of appreciation. As of this morning, we have had 71 single-family home and half duplex listings on the market and 119 multifamily properties on the market. This has been our 2012 Canmore Market Update. We have a lot of activity with the buyers. The buyers are very interested. They're still taking their time, looking for a bargain, and when a bargain is out there, or when a good property at market value comes on the market, it moves very quickly. So we're looking forward to a exciting 2012, and if you have any questions, please call your RE/MAX Alpine Realty agent. You can contact us at www.alpinerealty.ca. Have a happy new year.